who's arguably the strongest guy on the court. Turning around. Parker has it on the wing. Gets Walters in the air. Walters does a good job to get position again. Birch Parker into the paint. Back out. Anamali for three.
They've played the most games out of anybody to get to this point. Weapons on this Edge team. Of course, Beckering has been their leading scorer all season long, but in the playoffs, it's been Richmond stepped in the country and one of the best shooters in the country as well.
And Stoddart was just there giving him all the time and space as Anamali makes a move. Richmond on the far side has Anamali on the dive. Working left, nice. Finish with the right out of there.
Yeah, you want to try to get the ball out of Malachi's hands if you're Lincoln. That's what they did.
Anamali with a strong take.
Stripped him clean. Dallas going upstairs to Patrick Anamali. It's all three. Oh, Kaja going down swinging, not going down without a fight, that's for sure. Minute 20. Cool. They can just hold for as much as possible here to just try to get some time off the clock. 6 on the shot clock. Someone's got to shoot it. Will it be Anamali? Yes, it will be as he forces it.
90 seconds to go in the third. All alone.
Oh, very nice.
Patrick. Now another. Oh, I thought Volleyball was going to shoot that again.
Ooh,
wow.
Nice recovery.
The place is as silent as it can possibly be right now.
Oh, okay.
And a huge slam.
Patrick, turn and go.
Nice.
With the left hand finish.
Dhaliwal, the Meridom up. Anamali posting up. Up and under. Oh!
Anamali turned the...
Patrick Anamali, he finishes it.
Oh, in the prep scene.
Oh, nice finish.
Hey,
nice finish.
Strong finish, Patrick Anamali. Bit of a sloppy start to this game. But then again, both teams are defending at a pretty high level. Patrick Anamali puts it down.
Anamali is in the building. Coach Jordan. This is gonna be a good matchup.
Well, yes, I am definitely looking forward for both teams to battle out. Ooh, right away, up and under. Dolan. Get it. Turns. Smashes at home.
Isaiah Loyo recovers it. Stripped again now. Anamali this time takes it away. Anamali throws it down.
Michelle Hammer. Stolen. Uh-oh, Anamali with the slam. Stolen. Anamali comes with it. Yep, Anamali. Nice finish. Now they're just switching screens.
Clock winding down. Oh, he might have got hit on the arm, but he hit it anyway. Patrick Anamali. Almost had him with the cross.
He had him, but he lost it.
Here we go.
Good pass.
Anamali.
And one. I think that's...
Gioso gives it up. Sega Keeley with 4 on the shot clock. Pulls it. Rebound swallowed up by Jones.
That's fine. 6 on the shot clock. Kaji steps through, tough shot against some good defense. Then defense has been tight though for sure. This matchup is one to look out for. Dante versus Anamali. And again, we talked about Patrick. Has been very impactful. Dante working inside, and he gets to go over some tough D.
Quentin with the ball. Nice pullback and.
Quinte blocked. Got back his miss. Griffin
almost comes away with the steal. And then Anamali saves it before going out of bounds.
Turnover. Anamali finds Benjamin. Flips it in.
Whoever makes it are able to complete the three-point play from the free throw line. Anamali kicks it out. Shot is up, and it's good from the. Really, if you're going to foul, make me blow the whistle.
Exactly. You don't want the refs taking over this game.
The officiating all week has been quite great. You know, a lot of pace to these games, letting the players find the rhythm, and Anamali kicks it to the corner. Richmond moving back inside. Anamali thought about it. Outside, Richmond's three is up and good.
There it
Contact on.
On two defenders. Kick out, good ball movement, good pump fake, good rotations on defense by Hoden as well. They got to get it up. Nice give and go.
almost puts it down.
Isaiah Loyal loses it. Anamali comes up with the steal. He's running that court. Dennis Dollywall, the sharpshooter from the corner.
And Anamali, they're able to break it. Open court opportunity. And the